Smartphone charging port issues. I am seeking detailed guidance on troubleshooting a smartphone that is experiencing inconsistent charging issues, specifically related to its charging port. The device has a troubling pattern. It sometimes charges perfectly, reaching full battery capacity without any noticeable problems. However, the moment the charger is jostled or shifted even slightly, the charging process often stops entirely. In some cases, the phone may even power off completely when this happens. When I manage to find the right alignment for the charger, it will charge all the way to 100%, which suggests the issue lies within the charging port rather than the charger itself. I understand that pinpointing and resolving this issue may require technical skills and might involve a trip to a repair shop. However, I am keen to explore potential steps I can take at home to diagnose the problem further and possibly implement a fix. I would appreciate any advice on how to safely inspect the charging port for debris, signs of wear, or damage. Additionally, I'm open to suggestions for testing the charger and cable to confirm they are functioning properly. If there are other common fixes or maintenance steps that I should consider, I would love to hear about them as well.
Yes.
The behavior you describe is strongly suggestive of a mechanical/electrical connection problem at the charging port, especially because it can charge normally to 100%. Charging stops when the plug is moved or the phone is disturbed. A particular plug position/alignment can restore charging. The problem can be severe enough that the phone shuts down when contact is lost. That doesn't prove the port itself is defective. The cable's plug can also be worn or damaged, but you can narrow this down quite safely at home. 1. First, determine whether the problem follows the cable. Try 2 known good cables, preferably cables from different manufacturers. For each cable, 1. Connect the phone while it is powered on. 2. Leave it completely stationary for several minutes. 3. Gently move the cable near the connector, not the phone. 4. Observe whether charging repeatedly disconnects/reconnects. Interpretation. Result: likely cause. Cable A fails. Cable B works reliably. Cable/plug problem. Both cables fail with movement. Phone port likely. Both work only when held at a particular angle. Port or port-mounted connector problem. Cable feels unusually loose in the port wear, damaged retention contacts, or debris. Cable doesn't fully seat. Debris or physical obstruction. Charging works wirelessly, but not through cable. Strong evidence toward wired charging path/port. Don't deliberately wiggle the connector aggressively. If the port has a partially detached solder joint or damaged internal contacts, repeated movement can turn an intermittent problem into a complete failure. 2. Inspect the charging port carefully. Use a bright flashlight and look directly into the port. You're looking for pocket lint. Dust compacted against the rear of the port. Foreign material. Bent or displaced contacts. Broken plastic. Corrosion/discoloration. A center tongue that looks damaged or misaligned. Anything preventing the plug from going fully into the socket.
1.
Particularly important, compare insertion depth. Insert a cable without forcing it. A healthy port should allow the connector to seat firmly and consistently. If the plug stops noticeably short of where it normally sits, compacted lint is a very plausible explanation. A surprisingly large amount of pocket lint can become compressed at the back of a USB-C port and prevent proper engagement. 3. Safest way to remove debris. If you see lint/debris, preferred approach. 1. Power the phone completely off. 2. Disconnect the charger. 3. Shine the flashlight into the port. 4. Use a non-metallic, very thin tool to carefully loosen visible debris. 5. Work from the edges toward the opening. 6. Remove loosened material rather than pushing it deeper. 7. Inspect again with a flashlight. 8. Try the cable again. A wooden toothpick can work, but it must be used extremely gently. Avoid needles, paper clips, SIM ejector tools, metal tweezers, knives, screwdrivers, aggressive scraping, pouring alcohol/liquid into the port, blowing compressed air directly into the port at high pressure. Metal is particularly undesirable because you can short contacts or mechanically damage them. If you have an electronics-grade air blower, Very gentle indirect airflow can help remove loose dust, but don't blast the port. 4. Perform the plug retention test. This is one of the most useful tests. With the phone powered on. 1. Insert the known good cable. 2. Confirm charging. 3. Leave the cable untouched. 4. Very gently apply a tiny amount of movement to the cable in different directions. You're not trying to reproduce the failure violently. You're determining whether normal mechanical movement causes electrical interruption. Pay attention to whether charging immediately stops. The charging icon disappears. The phone switches between charging/not charging. Android repeatedly makes the connection sound. The phone suddenly shuts down. If extremely small movements reliably interrupt charging with multiple cables, the charging port assembly becomes the primary suspect. 5. Check whether the port itself moves. This is especially important. Look at the charging socket while inserting/removing the cable. The external port should not visibly move independently of the phone chassis. If the socket itself appears to shift, rock, move inward, move sideways, make a clicking sensation, or feel mechanically detached, there could be damage to the charging port assembly or its mounting/solder connections. Don't continue testing by repeatedly moving it. A partially detached connector can sometimes maintain contact under one particular alignment and completely lose contact under another, which matches your description very closely. 6. Test the charger independently. Your observation that it can charge to 100% is useful, but it doesn't completely eliminate the charger/cable. Ideally test cable. Use your known good cable with another device. If it charges another phone reliably, the cable is probably good. Charger. Use your charger with another compatible device. If the other device charges normally, the charger is probably good. Phone. Use cable A plus charger A. Cable B plus charger A. Cable A plus charger B. Cable B plus charger B. This gives you a simple matrix. Phone cable charger result. Your phone A. Your phone BA. Your phone AB. Your phone BB. Other phone A. If multiple cables and chargers produce the same movement-sensitive failure only on your phone, the evidence for a phone-side fault becomes very strong. 7. Pay attention to whether the phone shuts down. The shutdown behavior is more significant than simply seeing the charging icon disappear. If moving the connector causes the phone to immediately lose power, possible explanations include: 1. The battery is already extremely depleted and the charging connection is lost. 2. The charging/power management circuitry is experiencing an interruption. 3. The battery connection itself has an issue. 4. The charging port or its board-level connection is intermittently disconnecting. If the phone shuts down even when the battery is substantially charged, I'd regard that as a reason to stop deliberately reproducing the fault. 8. A very useful diagnostic: charging while powered off. Try this once. Charge the phone until it has a reasonable battery level, then 1. Power it off. 2. Connect the charger. 3. Leave the phone stationary. 4. Observe whether the charging indicator appears. 5. Very gently test whether tiny cable movements interrupt charging. This eliminates many Android software variables. If the same mechanical dependency exists while the phone is completely powered off, software is extremely unlikely to be the root cause. 9. Check for temperature or moisture warnings. If the phone has ever displayed something like moisture detected, liquid detected, USB disabled, charging paused, temperature too high/low, then the situation deserves additional investigation. Do not attempt to charge a genuinely wet port. 10. Don't repeatedly charge it in the perfect position. This is an important point. If you've discovered something like, if I push the cable upward and hold it at exactly this angle, it charges. That's useful diagnostically, but not a good long-term workaround. Holding a cable under mechanical tension can put force directly onto the USB-C receptacle, its internal contacts, solder joints, the charging daughter board, or the phone's mainboard connection. An intermittent connection can progress to a completely non-functional port. My assessment based on your symptoms: I'd rank the possibilities approximately like this. 1. Charging port contamination/debris very plausible and relatively easy